Welcome back to JustMac Chapter 2, where we take on a Bodacious breakfast, look at some seaplanes, and have a Mario Van Peebles sighting. Okay. Day 2, Vancouver. One of Canada's most expensive cities, but it's been a blast. So we're gonna start day 2. And we're gonna see what we can find. I already started with a lot of excitement this morning, but that's okay, because we're here for it all. Just a quick jaunt down to grab some breakfast downtown Vancouver. Early morning. A lot to see, a lot to do. It's kind of an eclectic place, just a bit different. I think one of the reasons it's so expensive, I read somewhere, is that only like 15% of the land is actually usable or able to be built on. I don't know if that's arable land or anything, but everything's at a premium in Vancouver. I mean, everything. So while it may be one of the best places to live in Canada, it's probably one of the most expensive places to live in the world. Vancouver Film School. Interesting Steamclock. It's one of those things, everybody's interested. So, onward and upward. Hornsby Avenue. Oh, there's the restaurant. The noodles. Coffee place in Vancouver, right there, bar none. Duffos. Make sure you check it out. Nice hotel. Nice.
No, a little bit, if I want some. I want that. Thank you.
That's jam?
Yeah.
I thought this ketchup.
Yeah,
So this ketchup, this is jam.
and this is strawberry jam.
Okay.
Let's check it out. You all ready?
Then you can drink the water.
Really good.
Here, you drink the water.
En het de meeste kleren.
All right, successful breakfast in the books. Now on to the next. Adventure. It's been fun. Let's go. All right, thank you. All right, thank you. Huh? Beautiful.
Alouette. Alouette.
I'll link the link. I'll put the address. You should see it on screen right now. Wait a minute. Yes, on screen.
For once, I don't have to type in the address. Look.
Wow, let's go see what this place has an offer. There's a lot going on here.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Okay, we're looking for seaplanes. We want to see some seaplanes land.
Canada Place. Oh. Okay. The Seaplane and ferry terminal is that way. So, I wonder if you can get to it from going down that way.
Let's go check it out.
Gelato.
There's a tavern. Let's see. Okay, we're getting close. Uh-oh. There we go. All right.
Everybody's taking pictures of it. I have no idea what it is.
1, 2, yeah. That was my turn.
It's a blue thing.
These are views that money just can't buy. Look at that. Amazing.
Are we close?
All right. A Boundless Brothers exclusive. We gotta make a phone call. Okay, we have him here, a live exclusive. We have Mr. Positivity. He's the producer and director, and you see where he's at. He's at home in bed, and I'm out here, Boundless Brothers, getting you the content, producing my own videos. Anything to say, Mr. Positivity?
Keep up the good work, dude.
So now you know when you see this Boundless Brothers exclusive from Vancouver, we know who's doing the work, who's really putting in the work. So, all right, I'll get back with you
and when we look at the seaplanes. See? One over there taking off too.
Oh, you're still driving. Okay, never mind.
You see?
Jeez, where are you going?
Huh? What'd you say?
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let me just show you guys real quick. Whoa. I'll show them.
We're actually flying to another lake.
It's like a different city.
Yeah. Or maybe they're, oh, see, there it is. See?
Is that like their runway kind of?
Yeah. Another day. Too much. So I'm just gonna enjoy it. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm trying to say hi. I'll make sure I film a bunch of them so you can see them. Okay? It's definitely worth coming out here and just checking this out. This is pretty amazing. So we watched a bunch of planes take off. So now it's time to go see if we can find a nice glass of good bourbon. Maybe a cigar. All right, JustMac. They got my camera out now. Mario Van Peebles just rode by on a bike and I missed it. Cause I didn't have my camera out, but that's all right. I'm keeping my camera out for the rest of the trip. And so, I'm still out here. We found some great cocktails at Mahoney's Tavern.